The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Championship. Making his way to the ring from San Antonio, Texas, weighing 228 pounds, the #1 contender, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels, ladies and gentlemen, a tremendous athlete. He has waited for this. He has trained and sacrificed for this. I talked to him earlier today, and he promised me. He told me to tell everybody to expect the performance of a lifetime here tonight.
Well, JR, HBK is known for his speed, athleticism, and all-around agility. But don't forget the super kick that's put down many WWE superstars over the years. In my book, he's the favorite to take home the WWE Championship.
And his opponent, from Detroit, Michigan, weighing 317 pounds, the WWE Champion, Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
We are live, ladies and gentlemen, at Wrestlemania 11 in Hartford, Connecticut. Big Daddy Cool Diesel against his former tag team champion partner, Shawn Michaels.
We're going to see firsthand who the weak link of that tag team was, JR. Just look at the size of Diesel. Eat your heart out, Shawn Michaels.
The WWE Championship is on the line as this one is underway. BK Shawn Michaels squaring off against Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
This one is so hard to watch, JR. Shawn was Diesel's boss. Big Daddy Cool is biting the hand that fed him.
Well, I'm not sure I agree with that, King. Look at Shawn Michaels. He has to be quick. He's going to have to use his agility and cunning to negate the brute force of Diesel.
Shawn is a ring technician, JR. Technically, I'm not sure if Diesel even knows what a ring is. Oh, out of nowhere.
And there's a quick kick. And a hard shot by Shawn Michaels.
Hey, a reversal by Diesel.
A shot to the gut.
Oh, a serious knockout blow. Oh, big right hand.
And he strikes with a quick kick.
Hey, a reversal by Diesel. He's putting those educated feet to good use. We know what...
A huge boot by Big Daddy Cool. If you want to know what it feels like getting hit by an 18-wheeler, just take a look at that. That had to hurt, and probably more than he's willing to show us.
Oh, misjudged that. And he wants to get out of there in the worst way.
Taking him back into the ring here. And a nice elbow. Back into the ring now. Shawn Michaels has said that he would do whatever it takes to win the WWE Championship. Shawn's going to fight to his last breath tonight.
This is so personal to Shawn, JR. Diesel never gave him a 2 weeks notice. Now you know that's bad etiquette. Reversal. He's going to take another chance.
Oh, and he eats a mouthful of canvas. Big Daddy Cool's never been known to show opponents any mercy. And he's not about to start now.
Oh, reversal.
Big Daddy Cool's never been known to show opponents any mercy. And he's not about to start now.
Michaels goes down hard.
Diesel needs to end this thing. The longer this goes, the better it is for Shawn Michaels. He's got the stamina. He's lighter on his feet. The longer this match goes, has got to favor. Here it is, one more time.
There's the cover. I think he's finished.
Here's 3. Big Daddy Cool wins.
He is your winner, and still WWE Champion, Big Daddy Cool Diesel.
A hard-fought matchup. Nonetheless, Diesel retaining the WWE Championship here at Wrestlemania 11.
Shawn Michaels has got to be devastated. I mean, he wanted this match so badly. Quite honestly, I think he got robbed, JR.
Big Daddy Cool sending a message that the WWE is now running on diesel power.